hello. Okay, I think I didn't do the comic today, so I guess I'll have a little drawing break. I should figure a way to cast my phone screen into the computer. There has to be a way to do that. Even if it has like a lot of lag. I also thought about maybe playing 2x scale, maybe gaming a little bit. Would be kind of fun. But I'm also so hyped to fix the weapon. So all of that, there's just a lot of stuff that I want to do. Let's start making the comic. I got no idea what to do it on though. I'm having trouble finding anything to cling onto for ideas for this daily comic. Oh, also, I should totally post the announcement into Discord. Good thing I remembered. What's something meaningful? I guess I can work backwards. So I've been like trying to implement like little silly faces in the comic. What about if I look at a silly face and then come up with the concept? Hi Blue Snob! Hi Nesherlat Survivalist! How you doing? How you guys doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. Let's see. Let's just get a little bit of inspiration. What if we scroll Twitter and get inspiration that way? Holy fuck. I just saw super cute art. Oh my god, so much cute art. Okay, I'm not getting inspiration. I'm just like fucking scrolling. Okay. Let me think about my feelings. Is there a TikTok? How about I look at TikTok for a bit?
This is Gooning Civilization.
Oh no. What did I just did I just find fucking gold? It's the meme about the guy mining for diamonds, but it's like I didn't mine at all. I just
Level. In this level, you're trying to get to the King of Gooners, who lives in the Goon Castle, and he's the one that grants people freedom from Gooning Civilization. And my goal is to get to the King of Gooners so I can get my freedom. But before I can even get to the castle, I have to do my daily clapping machine. And well, this one is the biggest of the 3 levels, and I don't even know if it's gonna fit, man. Oh golly, dude. Alright, here I go. Oh golly, this is gonna hurt bad, dude.
what the fuck, bro?
Once you finally get the oh man, no. The king.
Oh, every single one.
Gooner to give the crown to and succeed me in gooning civilization.
Does that mean I get to become the King of Gooners? Yes, dude.
Yes, but you have to show me what you got first.
Yeah, I'll show you what I got. Here I go. How was that?
Bro. Times the actors were not acting. Bill's in that height. This is pure brain rot. Yeah. Whatever keeps the fandom alive, I guess. Why am I still watching this? It's so true. Bro, the comments are so funny. Is this thing... Big Terry civilization? Bro.
This is Gooning.
¿Cuánto carajo mide una puta costa? ¿Crees que es una pregunta?
This is why I don't use TikTok. Yeah. Seem like fantasy.
Alto, si te digo himno de YouTube, ¿en qué piensas?
I don't know. Okay. I'm not getting inspiration from this. It's just not working. This is not it, bro. Okay. Let's try to make this. What have I been feeling recently? I've been feeling like very angry. How can I make a comic about that? About being angry. No one expects the Spanish Inquisition. Facts. Okay. I think maybe making a comic about I guess me failing at things and then people giving like very basic advice. I think that's something that has gotten me angry lately. So maybe I can work on that. Angry Maui drawing. Yeah. Let's see if I can draw like a funny angry face. Oh, broken promises is also a thing. I've been feeling so angry about broken promises. Has a lot to do with my OCD, like me just like going over past promises and then like trying to enforce them. Right, just having like imaginary conversations about me trying to enforce the promises that were given to me. But like, of course, if someone doesn't want to honor a promise, it's like, it's kind of useless, right? There's nothing you can do about it. I should just like temper my expectations and be like, not take it to heart whenever people say they're gonna do something or say that, you know, they promise some kind of I'll be here for you forever. That kind of stuff. And I should kind of like build trust and hope based more on like a long period of time and people's behavior. Or at least that's what I think. I guess the comic is shifting. It already shifted into being about broken promises. I like this. I like this kind of process where I come up with an idea and then I kind of figure it out. I choose something, I commit to it, and then I figure out what I want it to do at the end. I like how your angry drawing would be deep, and then mine would just be not getting a USB in the right way around 200,000 200 times, whatever, a bunch of times. Hi, humble flat cap. How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. How you doing? The flat cap has arrived. Yeah, the flat cap that is humble has arrived. I'm doing pretty good. I'm drawing the daily comic. I need to figure out a way to show it on screen. Maybe we can do that today. Just a way to like screen cap my phone onto the screen. That'd be cool. And today I think I wanted to create assets for the game. I want to get out of the tile maps and all that we've been using and create our own. I think I like that. Hi, Honey Bite. What are we talking about? You could use Discord for an easy workaround. I would need another Discord account, I think. While you figure out how to screen cap? Yeah, I guess that could work. I just need a different Discord account. I need to create like a alternative one. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. How you doing, Hannibal? Hope everything's really good. Yeah, making assets is really fun as well, in my opinion. I really love it, yeah. I like making assets. Tremble before my presence. Man, I can't spell. I feel that. I'm so bad at spelling when it's quick. Like in a chat room. I make so many mistakes. Oh, my charger fell to the ground. Let me disconnect that. Are you multi-streaming? Yeah, I stream on YouTube as well. Hi, Kain Hanma. I'm from Venezuela. Oh, I think yeah. She's from the outer net. True. Factual. How's your game dev journey going? It's going pretty good. I'm still loving it. I'm still having so much fun just learning. I can't wait to feel confident enough to start creating my own thing. But I won't rush to that. Because I've definitely been rushing to that for a while. And it ends up with me like dropping it and just not doing it. So yeah, I'm definitely sticking by it before I do anything else. Just like learning the basics. Right now the big problem that we have is our weapon has like, it spawns in, it has active frames, but it's like it's not detecting that it collided with an enemy. So I was trying to fix that last time, and I think that's the first thing that we'll fix. And then we'll go into make assets. So yeah. Will you link the comic in chat when it's done? Sure, yeah, I will. Fair, you're doing great though. Thank you, Kane. I agree. I agree. I appreciate that a lot. I'm taking a lot of time here, but I'm like doubtful about both approaches. I'm like, am I taking too long? And then I'm like, should I be worried about taking too long? Should I just let myself do it? I think I'll stop thinking about that. And I'll just keep on drawing it. I think as long as I'm making something that means something to me, and it's not hurting my ability to keep doing it daily, I can keep trying to make it better. Hiya, Kafti! How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. How are ya? Thank you for coming to stream. I appreciate it. Overthinking is a slippery slope, especially with art. I agree. What are we doing today? I'm drawing the daily comic, and then we're gonna do assets for the game. And maybe we game a little bit afterwards. Blue says, I'm absolutely horrendous at art. I think a lot of people are better at art than what they think. But it's a question of finding what you're good at and finding like techniques and stuff, like the way that you want to draw. What's the game? Oh, the game, it's a little like learning project that we have. It's this little guy. It's based on assets that are found online for free. It's based on a tutorial. We're kind of just learning how to make games, right? So we have a dash, we have a double jump. We were making the sound effects ourselves. And we have a pair attack. How many games do you know that have a pair attack? Not many. But this one sure gives you a pair attack. Right now, last thing we worked on was our pair is not dealing damage into the slime. And I don't know why. But yeah, we have to figure that out. And we can hit this block and it spawns a coin. We also need a better animation for that coin. Yeah, the pair attack! Oh, we made a pair throw. Yeah, last stream actually. this one. we can change the weapon. Weapon. Sprite. Huh? What happened to it? Where's the texture? Oh, is it like too big? Is that it? Oh, the region. Okay, the region was what was not working. Okay. We can load this one. And then do here, and then do region. And that's our pair. It's Bertho! Yay! The best game mechanic. Get paired. Holy moly, can't believe I missed out on pair throw. There's a pair throw? Oh, not pair throw, but perto. Even better. Yeah. It's perto. It's Kasane Teto as a pair. So yeah, we have that. But right now we're drawing the daily comic. I want to finish it before the day is over. I have 2 hours for it. I'll probably end pretty quickly. I'll probably finish the art pretty quickly. Okay, 2 panels down. I think 2 panels more have to go, so... This one is super emotional to me. I usually try not to make the messages hit too close to home. But this one is definitely... Can we see the comic? I haven't figured out a way to cast, because I draw them on my phone. I'll definitely, for the next one, I'll definitely try to... I'll definitely try to cast it on screen. I just want to get done with it quickly today. And then we can figure out. Yo, what's up? Hi, Gene Programmer. How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. How are ya? How's it going? We're almost done. I'm sorry guys for taking so long with this. If it's too personal, then don't feel obligated to post it. It's fine, just make art for the sake of getting stuff out of the system. Yeah, that's yeah. That's a nice... That's a good consideration. I think I'll post it. I think maybe I'm just a little bit more sensitive today. But I think it's okay. I was definitely struggling a lot with rumination today, so it's been a weaker day when it comes to my OCD. I didn't take my ADHD medication today as well. I've been rationing it out because I just don't have enough money to buy it to buy in like as regularly as I did before. When the go isn't the dot, true. I got interested in trying Godot and I ended up here. Yeah. We have our little game in Godot. We're trying to figure out the area 2D. Yo, Vibing Creamy! Welcome to Twitch chat. How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. Thank you for the stretch, the hydrate, and the buster check. Oh shit, that looks cool. Yeah. So these assets are from the Brackies Godot tutorial. If you're interested in learning Godot, I would totally recommend it. So it's this one. Brackies Godot tutorial. It's this one. So the assets aren't ours, but we're going to work on our own assets today. So that's gonna be fun. If you want these assets as well, they're over here. Like Bracky's Itch.io. Bracky's Platformer Bundle. They look super cool, right? I totally didn't tell you, I am watching that vid already. Yeah. Great choice, Godot is beating my ass, but it's really fun. Is that bad? Man, I'm getting scared, XD. Godot is more complicated than other things at first, but it's much easier later on. Not that bad, just got hit with a big dumb. Thanks a lot, she will try. Yeah, I think Godot is pretty good for learning. At least, I haven't tried a bunch of them, but in my experience, it's been good. It's been good for me programming, for me learning. I think the node stuff and like the graphic interface is pretty good. Signals are pretty dope, and animation players are pretty fun, pretty good. I have a super good idea for tomorrow's daily comic, huh? Hi, new and why not? How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. Hey, I remember reading on the Discord that you'd stream. Oh, I already follow you. Okay, I already follow you. I was like, I should go and follow you. And then I was clicking to follow you, and boom. If someone here wants to check you out, they totally should. I don't know if you stream on Twitch. Yeah, well, I didn't sleep this night. I talked so much to people. I'm not feeling well. Oh no. I hope you get to rest soon. That doesn't seem healthy or comfortable. Napped, I guess. Okay, at least you rested a little bit. That's good. Although, I read that, like, deep sleep is so important. And, like, if you don't get it enough, you, like, are way more likely to develop, like, dementia and stuff like that. And oh my god, the diseases are degenerative. Scare me so much. That I fix my sleep schedule. like I make it a priority because oh my god, I do not want my mind to be actually rotted. Just brain rot for memes, okay? Hi Snub, how you doing? Congratulations on first. You wasted a total of 41 points, let's go. Oh, you worked today? What about you? How was your day? Deep sleep is indeed important, yes. I really should take care of this. Yeah. Oh no. Gene, you're trying to make a drinking game because you don't drink, and I want to at least try it via video games. Wait, that's really fun. It's definitely more fun in-game without the headaches. You can code in the headaches. Could you please link the playlist? It's really chill. So this one is from Spirit City, Lo-Fi Sessions. So this one's called Spirit City Homework Radio, and this one is for, I think this is Spooky Melodies. Which one is this? Refreshing Study Sessions. Okay, so this one's Refreshing Study Sessions. I can look for it actually, and I can link you it. I'm sure they're on YouTube. My sleep schedule is hopeless. Oh no. Hi Dark Spectre! And yo, what's good, Maui? What's good? Hope everything's going really good. I'm sure these are... Yeah. You guys can check this for the playlist. But yeah, it's this game. It has a lot of stuff. It has a lot of playlists. They're super good. I love talking in the Discord about languages difference. People watching the stream, please go to the Discord. You're missing out if you're not there. Yeah, join the Discord. It's a lot of fun. You guys should check it out. We have a dev channel where people share their... You can share your progress or your projects. You can ask questions. And if I can help you, I will. Or you can just hang out and look at memes. We do be posting the memes. I'm thinking about this this weekend. I wanted to like hang out and just play games. So if that sounds appealing, let me know. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm drawing the final face. This definitely took so long. And I'm not sure it was worth it. But hey. That's the kind of thoughts that we shouldn't listen to when we're making a daily comic, because it's just supposed to be a thing that I do every day. Consistency is the goal, not quality or anything else. So yeah. Joining right now, thanks for the playlist. Yeah. I'm sober for 6 years already, so I can't relate anymore. Memories about the pain are too hazy. Yo, I'm sober for like 3 years. Almost 3 years. I had a relapse a couple months ago, but I still count it, okay? I still count myself as sober, okay? I don't know if that's cheating. Is that cheating? Great job. Hell yeah. Thank you. Congrats. I appreciate that. Today's comic was really hard. In an emotional level. Not in the drawing scene. The last panel I kind of winged it because I kind of don't want to make it too personal. So I removed any like identifying things in it, I guess. I stole the neck of Spider-Man. Hi, how are you? How many monitors do you have? Wondering for my own streams. I have 2 monitors. Let me post it on Blue Sky. And then we can start coding. Exciting, right? Oh my god. I just saw a fucking Blue Sky account that's called like low quality facts, and it said mayonnaise cannot be created or destroyed. Bro, I love all the stupid humor. if you're stupid, I love you. Okay. Comic posted. I'm so goofy, I made my SVG art in Scratch and exported. I'm playing Geometry Dash right now. Nice, let's go. Geometry Dash is so fun. Mayonnaise on an escalator. It's going up, so see you later. Bye-bye to the sky. I love that video. One of the greatest of all time. Godot. Okay. Let's oh, I think someone wanted to watch the comic. Which, sure. Let's post it. Blue sky. When I Google GD, there's 50-50. It comes up with Geometry Dash or Godot. Oh my god. Snarly with her emotes. Bro, Snarly's so fucking good at art. Snarly's amazing. Oh, this is the account, low quality facts. Can I go to my profile and check my likes? Yeah, it was yours. Mayonnaise can neither be created nor destroyed. Bro. That's so funny. So yeah, here's the guy. Here's the daily comic. If you guys want to see it. It's also on the Discord. We have a channel for it. But yeah. Now that that's done, let's see. Did I... Relapses are normal. Yeah. I didn't want to lie to people and be like, hey, I haven't drunk at all in 3 years. No, I have. It's just... It was a short thing. Yo, thank you for the cheeseburger and the apple and wasting a point. You wasted a total of 1 point. Much appreciated. I was in the place where I either stopped drinking or become underdeveloped teenager. Thanks to God, I managed to stop giving a damn about my peers. Yeah, from peer pressure, yeah, I can get that. I didn't have peer pressure, but I was just really bored. And I would like... Oh, you got chumped. I was really bored and alone. And... yeah, I was just feeling really uncomfortable all the time. And drinking... and like sleeping all day was how I cope with it, I guess. I traded drinking for programming XD. Nice. I traded drinking for other bad stuff. But eventually I did it with streaming. So I guess that's better. Trade deal of the century? Yeah, that's pretty good. Peer pressure is one hell of a thing? Yeah, it is. It definitely is. I love me Gooby so much. Yeah. Wait, holy shit. I just finished a tutorial this week and I added my own mechanics to it, like attacks, pogo, and wall jumps. Wall jumps! Nice. Okay. I haven't added any of that, but wall jumps seem pretty cool. My goal for this is I want to make it like a little roguelike kind of deal where you hit the question mark and you hit it over and over and more stuff spawns. And then you get like upgrades and stuff, and you can like expand your platform more with what you get from here. And the more you press the block, the riskier it gets. Hell yeah, Kaneki, really cool. Yeah. Boom, boom. I like the dash sound that we made. It looks better. Okay, let's fix the pair. For some reason, it's not working. Let's see, how can we fix it? So, the problem is, we're using this signal. Well, we tried every single signal, and none of them work. So, I think, so max 8 was the thing, right? Our slime, we're mask 8. We're layer 8. So we should be there. For each their own. I tried to stream for some time, even made myself a model. Good times. Really, Gene? Damn, that's really cool. How did you make the sound effects? Hi, Toran! Hope you're doing really well. There's this site called Beep Box. And it's super cool. Let me remove all of this. Beatbox.co, this one. And yeah, you can make things here. So that's with that instrument. What I do for this like video gaming sound is I go to this and I press square wave. So this one. And it sounds like that. If you want to make a very... I want to make it very tiny for my sound effects. So what I do is beats per bar. And I put 1. The minimum is 3. And then I put change song length as well. And I put 1 bars per song. And then I just make, you know. Yeah, and stuff like that. And you can make it. See? You can make it tiny things there. It's pretty cool. Beatbox is great. Yeah, it's super great. I really like it. We'll be making way more little sound effects like that. But I want to fix the pair attack. It's the most important mechanic of the century. It can't not work. Okay, so we can be here. Godot. Aria to the not detecting body. Body. Aria to the body entered not working. Okay, let's see. Look for the 8-beat sound, I mean. I just use JS FXR for everything. Okay, okay. I also use Ultrabox, which is a slightly modified version with some mods installed. Okay, Ultrabox. Yeah. I don't know, I'm super new with like everything that has to do with music. These all sound really cool. If the pair attack fails, we're doomed. Exactly! You understand it? 8-bit sounds cool? Yeah. I do think so. I'm trying to make a shooter game. I already made a shooter mechanic. Now I'm trying to make an explosive barrel, but the script I make is not working. My projectile is the character body 2D on mask 2 layer 2 with collision shape 2D and sprite 2D. Explosive barrel layer 1 mask 2. Okay. So that is basically what we have. And then it's on hitbox body entered, right? Print detected. If the on body entered is not working as extended, then there are two reasons. The body is in a different collision layer. The colliding object may mask a different collision layer and cannot detect the body. The code exists, but the signal is not connected yet. The method does not have a green thingy. Okay. Now this person does get to trigger it, which is not exactly what's happening to us. I guess we could like go in here and set a... So that is connected. Can we set a breakpoint here? Is that it? Is that the breakpoint? So it's just not happening. Could it be that it's it is the slime? The slime will see the weapon. And then the weapon sees the slime. I don't know. Let's see if it works. It doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work. So the slime, you're in layer 8 and you should see layer 7. And then weapon, you're in layer 7 and you should see layer 8. And layer 1. You should also see layer 1. Why isn't it working on a wall? Let me see. It turned out because the bullet was on a different layer than Area 2D. I didn't see before that there was layer and mask in Area 2D. I looked for it in the collision shape 2D and parent, like character body 2D. So is it like a parent thing? There's no collision layer here, right? In the collision layer shape 2D. There's a sprite. Area 2D. Right? We have the collision. Is it this? It's not that. Because I want the slime to be the one to have the thing. Right? This slime Area 2D, this is just like the vision. It has a little guy inside of it. It's not necessarily what we want. Let's make it layer 1, just to see. I mean, no, it doesn't make sense, because it doesn't work with the walls either. Because my name is Teto Bear. Bro, that That song is so cool. That song has been stuck in my mind such a long time. Is there something with the instance that I'm doing that's just not working? It's never coming here. The slime's having the greatest time of his life. He's just running around being a happy little slime. Not being able to be defeated by our little knight. Okay. Let's check more on the web. Area 2D not detecting anything. Disconnecting and reconnecting the body entered signal. Okay, so apparently that's the thing. Let's disconnect it, I guess? Because my name is Tato Bear. Okay. So we have it there. Then we connect it again. On body entered. Connect. Connect. There. Could that work? Oh. Nope, it does not. It should activate on the walls. It should activate on everything. So, Inspector, you're in collision layer 7. You don't really need a collision layer. But the mask, you should see what's in 1 and what's in 8. And those should be things that you see. Now...
Cheer the door, can't wait for the apocalypse.
Yo, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it. Yeah, little guy got the zoomies. Yeah. He's having a good time. Let's see. Slow the node structure and movement code for wherever you expect to be detected by this area. Also, check if the area actually extends outside the collision shape for the static body. If it doesn't, then anything that collides with the static body won't be able to actually reach and enter the area. And unless other things that aren't detected by the area are meant to collide with it, you probably don't even need the static body at all. Is your area 2D monitorable property set to true? I believe yes. It's true. Is it monitoring? Is this it? Is this... Oh my god. Did I disable that for some stupid reason? Oh my god, I did it. I'm so stupid. Why was me killing the world so funny? Bro, I can't kill the coin. Oh, because the coin is a layer 8. Oh my god. Destroying the world is so funny. Okay. It was that. It was the fucking monitoring thing. Domain expansion. Berto. Oh my god, that was hilarious. Since yesterday I've been listening to the song, the Perto song. It's so good. This animation is great. So good. Bro, this style is so good. I love these colors as well. Yeah. I watched it like 20 times. What is Perto? It's Kasane Teto, but in a bear. Huh? I wasn't aware of that Machine Love remix. It's so good. A holy 3D Perto. Yeah. I see the Perto now. Yeah. Well, we don't have to wait for the apocalypse now. Yeah, we bring the apocalypse. We finally brought the apocalypse. Okay, so in here, what we need to do is checking here. So if the body that was it class name? Get class equals, I guess we should always do this. Somebody told me the other day to do this. Like set the conditions to a variable and then the if condition just checks the variable. Body class I think it's a string. And then it'll be this. Beto der Banichiba no Ichiban no daisuki Fritz. I think that's what he says. You made the world this a bear? Haha, I'm so funny. It's the best. I love the bear meme. So if body class equal slime deal damage, but now let's make it if it's a wall, which the wall it's just like a layer, right? Layer tile layer. I think that's what it's called. Map tile layer. Is there like a case operator? Godot case statement. Do you have a switch statement? It's called match. Okay. So match test value pattern. Match is more strict than the equals operator. For example, 1 will not match 1.0. The only exception is string versus string name. Replace switch with match. Remove case. Remove any breaks. Change default to a single underscore. So it's like this. Okay. Oh, this is way better. Okay, okay. It's actually telling me how to do it. So it's not this. It's not. You don't have to do the fucking HTML brackets. It does say I have 13 clips here, or am I just having a Twitch bug? No, your clip has 13 views. You made like the most. You made the most watched clip. That's it. Yeah. Which, congratulations for making the best clip of the month. I appreciate it. Okay, so match, boom, and then the conditions. Good. Let's make a new function for this. So it'll just kind of play a sound and maybe knock us back a little bit whenever we hit the wall. I thought it showed how many clips you had in total, not views from them. Yeah, it shows the views, yeah. Congratulations. 13 views is for my size of channel, it's pretty substantial. Okay, so we need to play a sound. I guess the wall should store the sound, shouldn't it? Like the terrain should store the sound, right? Depending on which type of terrain I hit. At least that's what I would want to happen. Does that mean that every type of terrain I would have to make it on a different tile layer? I'm okay with that. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Okay. Let's do that though. I guess the way to do this would be kind of like we grab these layer tiles and we make them scenes, right? So we would have like a bridge scene, and then it would have like a different sound whenever you step on it. I think that's the way that it should go. Right? And then to design the level, you make scenes for every like different kind of chunk, I would say. Hi Debarb, how you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. And how you doing? Thanks for the cheeseburger. I appreciate it. How you doing? I'm really proud of you. Also, Barb. Oh shit. Weapons scene instant. Could not pass the global class weapon. From weapon GD. Did we destroy it? Weapon. Oh, because of course. Okay, we shouldn't destroy the world now. I'm struggling, but I'm gonna get drunk, have a salad, and enjoy the evening. Go do that. Enjoy your evening. Also, Barb, look at this. Well, that's pretty cool. We fixed the dash and stuff. But look at this. Look at our pair attack. It's different now. Do you see any difference? Bro, you know it. You immediately knew it was. Godot. So yeah, our pair is now pair throw. And we fix it. Now, we fixed the thing about the collision. Now we don't kill the world with our sword. And it should kill the slime though, but it doesn't in it right now, so. But hey, it does this, you know? It hits. So at least it's detecting it. Let's print this. I hope you have a lot of fun. Tell me about your weekend later. Thank you for coming by to the stream. I appreciate that. What programming language do you have experience with? I am pretty impressed with your Switch approach. Ah, thank you. I guess I'm just, most of it has been Java and JavaScript. I've been like web oriented. I started learning like Ruby and stuff for the backend. I did like a backend in PHP and stuff, but like I haven't done much on other programming languages. Most of it has been like Java and JavaScript, and that's it. Thank you for the compliment. that means a lot to me. Let's bring the body class. Because my name is Tato Bear. Body class. Guys, my cat is sleeping in my footrest, so I can pet her with my feet while I'm coding. This is fucking heaven. I love it so much. Character body 2D. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Character body 2D. I thought it would be slime. Shouldn't it be slime? Right? Because it's a slime. Character body 2D. Type slime. How can I get its thing? Is there like a type of property perhaps? Let's see. Returns the object's building class name as a string. See See also is class. This method ignores class name declarations. If this object script has a defined class name, the base built-in class name is returned instead. Okay. What about type? Because my name is Tato Bear. I guess I can... I can check it, so let's see. Godot. Get class name. Is there a way to get the name of an arbitrary native class as a string? Node has a name property which does exactly that. Okay, so it's name. It returns the string name. Oh, it's not a function. That's what we need. Okay. Does that work? Hey, it works. Okay, now we can kill the slimes. Let's go. I'm back now. Hiya, Karthin. Welcome back. You can type body is slime. You can't get class names of your own script. I looked up this before. Oh, I think this body.name works. You use class name, so it changed to slime in the tree description. It's still a character body 2D. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to check for slime. And not necessarily everything. And now I'm actually changing slime to be enemy. And then in weapon, there's so much stuff that says slime. Okay, let's keep it slime. Whatever. But yeah, it's basically our like enemy class. Why not use the is keyword? Do we have that? Is that a keyword that's used? I've never used it before. I've been building a treasure chest, but I've been caught the two ends too big, so tomorrow I have to recut them. Are you making it of like origami or something? By the way, F5 for launching the game and F8 for closing if you're a big fan of shortcuts. F5 and F8. Launching, closing. That's good. I usually have my hand on the mouse, so I would have to do that with my left hand. I guess that's a cool thing. Yeah. Thank you. I should use the shortcuts more. Okay. So it's layer 0, actually. And this is platform. Okay, so on layer 0, let's try to play sound. So, weapon. All the terrain collision with this, guys, will sound like this. And let's put here. Oh, let's just have the Node 2D actually. Let's return body there. Okay, let's make a sound for that one. No, just using regular plywood. Okay, okay. Are you posting your results anywhere? Because that sounds super cool. I would totally want to watch that. Okay, collision with the wall. Oh, this is definitely like a a spring. Okay. Let me go for not the shamisen. Triangle wave. Square lead? Oh my god. Lead. Okay. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow when I have recut it and done the final assembly. It's also just a simple box. Yeah, but it's a treasure chest, right? I think it's cool. I have to see it. Is it just this? I think hitting a wall is just that. Tinier seems better. That seems good. Okay. Make this a Note 2D, actually. An audio stream player 2D. Several nodes can have the same names, so that slime check will only work for the first slime in the scene. Oh. So the next one will be slime 1, I guess? Right? What do you think will be a better solution for this? Is it to check which layer is it coming from? Or could we do something like in that signal event, we could check for going here. We could check for if it contains slime. Does that make sense? You can't get the class as a string, but you can use the is operator. Oh, somebody else said that, yeah. Why not use the is operator? Like body is slime. Okay. Can I use it with a match statement? Or is that not a thing? I would just have to have a lot of if statements, right? Like this? It works. Okay, I'm gonna change the slime a little bit. I just thought about something. So, this collision shape should extend a little bit more. So... Nope. Just make it look a lot down. In case it needs to fall. Because I want this. So... I want the question mark block to oh my god. Thank God for Control C. Yo, thank you, VMax. That was a really cool, a really good tip. It's for the kids at a scout next weekend to do some treasure hunting. That is so sweet, Akarthi. That is awesome. I hope they love it. Okay, so this get content. It's spawning a coin right now. But what we're gonna do is it's gonna spawn either a coin or a slime. So let's do that. Let's get the slime scene. Hello, Sir Neeks. How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. What's up? We're learning Godot, making like a simple game. So, slime scene. And then in here and get content, we should use object spawn location seed. So let's get this here. And let's say bar let's make a new function actually. And let's do like role for content. And then you will return probably an instance? Probably that? This instantiate? What do you return? Hello? Can I see this method? No? It has no documentation? I guess because it comes from coin scene? You should type it. Scene? Is that a thing? And now do we get the tooltips? No? Okay. What game are you coding? I am coding this whole game. Oh, sorry. Let's just return void for now. And then let's see what we do with it. So in here we do pass. This is our little game. Oh. Cannot find type is seen in the current scope. Okay. That's okay. Maybe it's note to D or whatever. File is in use, locked, or lacking permissions. Is it because this? Okay. I think it's packed scene for the type. Okay, thank you. I will try that. Get away, slime! Okay. Yeah, we have our little game. We're going to make a... Basically, it's going to be a little bit of a roguelike game. Where you press this block over and over. And you get rewards. But the more you press it, it gets more risky. And then you build your own... You build your world. Kind of deal. Also, hi Dormox. Thank you for coming to Twitch chat. I appreciate it a lot. Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. Seems like it works. Vaccine works. It returns a node. So then this is a node. I mean, you are a node. Okay. I hope it doesn't break. It doesn't break! Yay! Okay. I mean, it maybe breaks? No, it doesn't. Okay. Let's see. Why don't you use C#? I'm just learning Godot. Should I use C#? Is that a thing that I should do? Do you think it'll be better for learning? Overkill. Okay. So spawned object, bam. Okay, here in get content, we need to use the role content, and then in here, we should do bar object rolled object feed equals random number generator dot new dot rand integer range. And then we do, for now, let's do 0, 1. But as this grows, things should grow, right? So we'll probably have a list of them after. Hello, there are more resources learning in GDScript. Okay. Yeah, then I'll keep with GDScript. I think GDScript is good for learning. Most of what you learn from it can be translated to C# later if you like. Oh my god. Oh no, I forgot my channel name. Exposed. It's a pretty good name. Not gonna lie. I have my Godot set up to enforce static typing in GDScript. It makes the autocomplete work better, amongst other things. Okay, okay. I like the strict typing. I also like it. I'm trying to get in the habit of it. I enjoy it. And then this will be an integer. So in here, we have rolled object seed. Now, in an enumerable, right? We should have like an enumerable list of things that can spawn. So let's do that. I think that's the like convention for how to name it, the naming convention. And let's see here, we got coin, we got slime, and then we do have something else. I guess a pair upgrade we could have. So let's do a pair upgrade. So we have those 3 things that can happen. For now, they have equal weight, but we should definitely have them with different weights. In which case, I think it's better if the list is not an enumerable and it's more of a like a hash. I don't know, a hash map? Is that a thing in GDScript? Hey, just a random guy who tuned in. Things are looking good. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Adam King. Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. What's up? Thank you so much. So, is there like a hash map kind of thing? A dictionary? Okay. Var objects and then dictionary. Is it like that? And then how do we type it? Is it like this? And then we have like coin. Or is the key like this? Coin. 1. Hey, there we go. Okay. Yeah, basically a JSON. Can we do it like this? Hey, there we go. Do we have to slime? Comma? There we go. Okay. You've learned of multi-streaming before. Let me introduce you to multi-chatting. Hi, Kaneki-kin. Welcome to Twitch. I appreciate it. Feeling tired. Your stream feels like ASMR to me. Might sleep while listening. Ah, thank you, New and Why Not. I appreciate that. Do you want to be called New and Why Not? I don't know. Okay, so can the dictionary have a dictionary inside of it? If that makes sense? Like this? And then it'll be like, hey, coin, and then you have a value, which is your spawn rate, right? So spawn rate, and that is 9. It's just like the weight of it. You can call me whatever. I don't care. And yeah, you're saying it correctly. If that was the question. Okay, okay. So spawn rate of 9. And then I could even like call the scene, right? Like I could put this here. Yeah. Okay. I bet there's a better way to do this. Because what if I have like 700 items, you know? Like I would want every item to have its own kind of like file. And then I could set like its function there, like what it does with its own scene. I wouldn't want it in the question mark block. I would want it in another scene, right? Maybe a scene that's like a spawner of things. Databases. I guess so. I guess, yeah. I guess a table that just has it stored. Makes sense. I haven't done any like persistent data. Let's see. Godot. Persistent data. If you're storing data, you could just look up in custom resources. It might be overkill for what you're trying to do though. Okay. Yeah, this is more of a learning exercise. So I'm trying to do things in the proper way kind of thing. And not in like I'm not looking for a minimum viable product kind of stuff. Saving game. If you're looking to save a user configuration, you can use the configuration file for this process. You can see how making and loading works in action during saving and loading. Demo project. Oh, new and why not? You need it. You need to buy. It's not exclamation mark Pokeball. It's exclamation mark Pokecatch. Oh shoot. You needed to redeem the pet and then that. Oh, you know what? Let's do something. So let's go to tits. Let's set up oh, we got the Pikmin, but we don't have the bonk. Grr. Let's go to what? This program is called TIDS. It's the Twitch Integrated Throwing System. I agree. Where's that at? It's right here. Before I had it where if you play bonk in sound alerts, it bonks me. I guess I could use a microphone. And then I'll look for the hammer that I used before. And then the water should throw a water, right? Thank you for the hydrate and the buster check. Water. Thanks for the cheeseburger. Okay, and so we have it here. Throw customization. So channel points. Redeem title. Hydrate. And then we do object customization, disable all, enable the microphone, mode bonk, and oh wait, this is for the water. It should be the water. So, oh, we don't have a water. Okay, whatever. Let's leave the microphone there. We can look for a water later. It'll be the can of beans. No, it should work. Whenever you dream hydrate, I should get a sound that I should hydrate. I'll do the water later. I don't want to get super distracted. Save games can be complicated. For example, it may be desirable to store information from multiple objects across multiple levels. Advanced save game systems should allow for additional information about an arbitrary number of objects. This will allow the save function to scale as the game grows more complex. Identify persistent objects. So you do create a new group. Persist. Okay, let's try to do that with the coins. Get tree, get nodes in group, persist. And this is the save nodes. For a node in save nodes, now we can call our save function on each node. Then serializing it, so save dictionary. File name, parent, position, blah blah blah. Save dictionary. This gives us a dictionary with the style variable, boom, value of variable. It should be useful on loading. GDScript has the helper class JSON to convert between dictionary and string. Nice. And this is GDScript and this is C. Interesting. You can define your items as a resource, put all of them in a folder, and load them in runtime. That's how I did it with my game. It's pretty efficient. I think someone else said that, yeah, the custom resources. Put them all in a folder and load them in runtime. I think that's good. And then function save game. So save file, file access open, save game, save file access write. So open this file with write permissions. It skips the empty ones. If node has method save. Persistent node is missing a save function, skipped. Does this mean this is a function? This is a save function on the node. Okay. Hello everyone. Hi Cold Sanos. How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. What's up? Here's an example of an item file resource. File name, item data GD class name, resource export, var name string new item, export, description. I'm confused with the exports. Texture to the... This is interesting. Texture 2D export variable. So you would like set it like this. Item data GD class name. Item data extends resource. No, it would be like this. These exports are just to have them available. So you could do like a get name, description, texture value. Is that it? My day is nearing its end, LMAO. It's 2:30 AM here, but I am staying up. Nice. I hope you enjoy your staying up late. And I hope that tomorrow you don't feel too bad. But hey, it's Saturday, so... I recommend using the function store variable instead of JSON. It's a binary format that supports all of Godot built-in types. The function store bar instead of JSON supports all Godot's built-in types. Okay. You want to put the save function in each node you want to save data for, and then add that node for the relevant group. Saving is tough. My personal project only had it half implemented. Okay. Hi Armstrad. How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate it. Okay, so... that's interesting. Item data. Extends resource. And then it does all of this. Interesting. I think I'm going to try what Bmangs is saying, which is the store bar function. Let's see how that works. It's a binary format. Right here in this one, they kind of use this one, which is file access open, and then save file, store line, JSON string, and they save it as a JSON. What are we learning today? Hi, Mr. J. How you doing? Hi, how you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. What's up, guys? You assign export variables via editor. Oh yeah, I remember that. And then you can see them here. That's good. The code that I sent is a template. What you need to do is in the file system doc, right click, choose new resource, and then in your item data script, create as many of these as you need. Okay, okay. I'm doing pretty good. Thank you for asking. Hope you're having a great day. Yeah, we are having a great day learning. But I agree with you. Think of for the sake of learning and getting something working other than the method the guy suggested is way simpler. Like the store bar? Okay. Understandable. So, what I would need to do in the file system, choose new resource. Just like right click and then do new resource. Would these be... What is this? Like, what is this? I have no idea what that is. Right, occluder, animation library, color palette. There's so many types in here. Is there a type that I would want? A JSON. Navigation main. Right click, new resource. What type would I want to? Would I just create a regular resource? Skin, sprite frames. I guess there's like a million of these. I think maybe a resource, just plain and simple, could work for me. Resource type, okay. And then we just call it point. Choose a default resource at the top. Okay. Have you made games before? Are you brand new to this? I have made a... No, I'm new to game development. We've been working on this game for a little bit, but it's a super simple project that I'm just learning with, I guess. And look. We have a pair tag. How many games let you do a pair tag? Not too many that I can think of, but this one does. And we can kill the slime. We also have a dash. We have a double jump. Dash, and we have a little block that we can hit with our head. Right now we're working on this block. Every time we hit it, something new will spawn. And basically, yeah, we want that. We want to make a random thing spawn here. So we're kind of looking into... We're kind of looking into resources. In case I want to know the proper way to store all of the possibilities that could be here. I feel bad about putting them all in a one script. Feels like it will bloat it. And yeah, I would want like every item to have its own kind of file. So yeah. Yo, it's a Perry. Yeah. It's Perry the platypus? Can we do that? Can we open up a sprite and then we have Perry the platypus? Okay, first let me change the mode to be dark mode so you guys don't cry about it. Let's see. Is there no theme or something on a sprite? I don't think there's a theme on a sprite. I think the video game development is so freaking cool. It's one thing I've always wanted to learn and get good at, but I cannot figure out how to for the life of me. I think it's awesome. I think you should keep trying to do it. Even if you can't get yourself most of the time to do it. Just keep trying because yeah, one day you'll find that thing that actually lets you like sit down and learn it, and you'll have a lot of fun. It happened to me. So yeah, it'll happen to you as well. If you really love it, it's worth it. What's this? Another game dev streamer to watch. Hi Lab Toast. How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. I like your name. Do you have a channel of your own? You sound like you have a channel of your own. Ooh. You have a little toasty guy. This is so cool. I'm so proud of your hard work. Thank you, Mr. J. I appreciate that. My room's light is currently off as it's late here. Dark mode is appreciated. Yeah. You mean a fancy voice? A sprite. I don't know fancy voice, but yeah. I can't find the dark mode on a sprite. Let's try to look for it. Dark theme. Motherfucker. Just as I'm looking at the fucking webpage is all bright. Here's a list of the themes. Edit preferences general. Preferences general. Dark. Apply. Okay. Nice, we did it. Yay. Okay, let's open assets, image here. One pixel. Where's the color picker? Here, it's I. Then B's brush. Yeah. give it an outline, and let's modify it a little bit. Even though Perito is always, it's already perfect. I think an outline would work. Yeah, I think it works. Thanks. I've been thinking of starting up a channel, to be honest. I just need to stop making excuses to postpone the start of it. Yeah, that is so real. That is so real. Make stuff. You guys, yeah. I've been thinking of doing that too. I have a friend who has around 1K subs, and he's really pushing me to realize my dreams. I hope you do it, yeah. Man, I want to get to 1K subs. We need a bunch of subs to get partner on YouTube. We're doing good on watch hours, but we really are falling behind on subs. Let's check our progress on it. It's the YouTube studio. Then we go to earn. Yeah, if you see the stats here, we have 185 subs, and we need a 500 to get partnered, and then we need 3,000 watch hours, and we're more than halfway there, so that's pretty good. But yeah, we don't have like half the subs that we need, right? So we need to like ramp up the sub count. I think I have to upload more videos, more like pre-recorded videos, and not just streams, in order to win subscribers. But yeah, if you guys can sub to the channel, I would really appreciate it. One of my big dreams is to become partner on YouTube. Okay, we have that. Save. And now, let's do Perito the Platypus. So it'll be an orange. It's a Perry the Platypus. I'm so stupid. I shouldn't be allowed to have a computer. I should not be allowed to make games. I am too dumb. Oh, no! Damn it. Okay, can I go back enough? There, and then we save, and then we go forward. And now we do save as. There we go. Then we do Airtel the platypus pixel. There we go. Let's see how it looks. I think it looks better. Okay. Now, this thing, what do we do with it? Like, how do we save things in it? Like, because it's just like a resource guy. Should we... like, it's not a file, right? Is it? I have no idea. Let's see. Let's do it with the dictionary and then let's try to fix that in another way. So your spawn rate is gonna be 1. Yours is gonna be 8. Actually, let's do 100. Let's do 100 and 9. No. There we go. I figured it out. And then pair. Okay. And then role content. I guess we could like alright, we could get like an item pool. So item E. And then your type is going to be a dictionary. And then the object seed, so the range is going to be from 0 to item dot length or size. That's size. So boom, we get one of these. And then we need the item that's gonna spawn we call get content with that one. It's what I believe we need. Because my name's Little Bear. And then we should make the slime more more abundant every time. However, let's just make different things spawn first. So roll content items. Boom, you do that. You get one. You call get content with this. And then we do get content. You have the content. And that's gonna be the index of the thing that we got. I would rather get the item itself, right? So could it be like item P dot get the key. I don't necessarily know the key, right? Could it be like this and then rolled object seed? Is that a thing that could happen? And then get content, you don't get an int, but you get a dictionary. Can this be typed like a dictionary of dictionaries? Is that a thing? No? Okay. It's a thing, but you need to do it like a key type, value type. Oh, okay, okay. I will. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I guess it would be That spawn R, and then the values here, right? So key variant, and then blue value variant. So it'll be oh, never mind. It's actually it's slime that does this. Thank you for the stretch, the hydrate, and the posture check. I needed the stretch reminder. So I'm very grateful. Thank you, Creamy. Or Biving. I think I'll call you Briving. Bivey. Okay, how would this be the way? So item P dot set slime to item P get slime, right? +1. And then in here, it'll be the same, but with coin. And -1. I think. I don't know. Okay, so if we type it here, so dictionary, and then key type, value type. So if we do you can also use syntax to get and set in dictionaries. Dictionary key. Trying to figure that out. Would it be like this? Would it be would it be like coin? I don't know. I don't know how I would use that syntax. Because that's the key. Okay, in here. I need a... That's the problem. That's the problem. So, basically, I want this backed scene to be done programmatically. I don't want to declare at the beginning. Right? So... would it kind of be like... We create the item here, the item thingy. And then we access it with load. And it just has the naming here. Could that be it? Could we get like an array of this? Of all the files in here? Of all the files and items? I think that's the way to go, right? You can put the scene in the dictionary. Yeah, that is true. Right? So, I could be like... Right? And then when we get here to get content, we would do... let's do one that handles the animation, so... And then we just copy this. And in here we do item instance. We do spawned item. We name it, we add the child. We don't really need this part. So let's not use it for now. And then here, let's just say it's 16. I want it to be in top of it, so let's actually do 0, 0 here on X and just up there. Let's see now. Oh, okay. Dictionary and in operator. So I guess this get slime dot get, and then we do spawn rate. Okay, maybe modifying this is not a good idea. Let's just keep it there. A dictionary is like this. Var dictionary, thing, bum, 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 and then you can use. It got censored a little bit because of it detected that it was a link. But it's thing 1 to return 10. Yeah, this part got censored. If you see down here. Like the most important part. You can use a bloop and it got there. Has coding on camera. I kind of fear that it ends up feeling like a perpetual live code interview. I guess there's less pressure when there isn't a job online though. Yeah, there is less pressure when there's not a job on the line. And also, you guys are helpful and you guys are here to have fun and stuff, yeah. Not to like look for things. To like demean me or or yeah, there's no money on the line, I guess, except subscribers and bits and stuff. But that's okay. Ad revenue. It's paired to the platypus gonna be a different attack? Yeah. It definitely is. Oh, I missed a bunch of YouTube chat. I'm sorry, guys. I recommend doing stream highlights on YouTube Shorts. It's what my friend recommends to do. Yeah. Here's a sub, by the way. Thank you so much for subbing. I appreciate that a lot. Shit, I'm already sub. I wanted to learn to make games. I'm watching and trying to suck up some knowledge. Too bad I can't give more subs. I appreciate it. Paired to the platypus is going to be a a different attack, yeah. What do the numbers mean? Now, since the key value pair has keys of dictionary, it's already a dictionary of dictionaries. Okay, okay. Item P is a main dictionary, so it'll be something like this. Get pair and then set spawn R to 1,000. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Thank you. I think at least. Never mind pop off LMAO. Items coin spawn R10. Okay, okay. If you wanted to reassign it, but not in the dictionary. Okay. In your role content method. In your case, slime returns spawn R. Yeah. Yeah, I was doing that wrong. Yeah, no judgments here. Yeah, I appreciate that. Do you know that Teto begs for Nitro video? I don't know it, but that sounds like something that I would totally want to see. So, we are searching that up right now. Teto begs for Nitro?
If you want to build an app and have no idea how to code or where to start, check out Base 44.
Not us.
Yo, what's up? Hey, Mawi. Yeah. Can I?
Bro, did I heard hey Maui.
I have a nitro. Please, I need my emotes. Fine. Only if you stop meowing all the time. What if I meow for you? I just said no meowing, okay? I promise. What the fuck is that? They thought you fucking stupid.
Streaming Marvel Rivals. What? Hoyo Kim defend. Yeah. Getting high on Spyro. Oh my god! Look at the pickle potato. This was a waste of my time. GPA 1.5. Nice. Bro, love that. That was really cool. Thank you, Humble Flat Cap. AAA devs take note. Perto the Platypus attack is a Game of the Year feature. True. Yeah, your dictionary structure from earlier was confusing me a little. It looked like odd, but if it's a dictionary of dictionaries, then I can see that. Yeah. How was your interview yesterday? Hi, Avinity. How you doing? Hope your day's been really good. And I hope it gets even better. It was kind of a waste of time. It didn't really do anything. But I mean, it's okay. Twitch doesn't like dots. Yeah, Twitch does not like dots. Now play Tetris. Tetris? My favorite. Vibe coding ad. Ew. Yeah, I get a lot of vibe coding ads. And female product ads. And I'm like, I don't have the hardware for that. But okay. I never seen this. Haha! Okay, I can listen to the Tetris now. Tetris is a great one, yeah. Get ready for epic. The spinning graphics are pretty good. A nice Nice touch. Nice. Oh my god, what's that last frame? It's just Deto being happy. There's a little happy Deto there. I love it. This reminded me, the colors reminded me a lot of, how was it? How was this person called? Kyofu. Is it that? Is that one? Yukobi. Yukobi. That's the one. Can I get the original one? Yukobi. Powerful wind. There it is. I love this song so much. Henya has a cover of it too. Yeah, I love the Neura-sama cover and the Gura cover. They're pretty good. Oh, watara dekinai ni susugenai atsu tsuyo tsukite owaku nari deki 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 wo te aku. I love it so much. And I love that in the Neura-sama one, they made all the little guys like part of the like different ones. Yukopi is so good. It's amazing. It's so good. Let's listen to the Henya one. I haven't listened to the Henya one. I imagine these are also like nods to Henya's community. This song is so great. Index 2 on base dictionary. So I would say this one is there. Iya iya to soto de tara hato 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 dairanto. Owatara. Out of bounds, get index 1. on base dictionary. So can you not get the base? Can you not get like the... Can you not use the indexes on this? It's just out of bounds. So maybe we're just not passing the right one? It did say index 1. Out of bounds index 1. So... let's do it with this one. Item P. That might be a thing. Used space character for indentation instead of stab as used before in the file. In here? There it is. I like the Henya version because her vocals fit the original style so well. Yeah, I agree. I think the Naoto-sama version is really good too. I think Naoto sings super good. Out of bounds, index 1 on base dictionary. So we're trying 1 here. If we leave it to 0, just hard code it to 0. Does that work? Out of bounds gets index 0 on base dictionary. So we can't get an index? Is that it? Let's look how dictionaries work. Because I do remember, I think JSON you can get the index. Godot. GT script. Dictionary. Oh, you can do dot white. Oh, you can do it like that. That's really cool. You can iterate them, but you can't really reference them with an index. Okay. Maybe they just don't have an index. And maybe what I should do is something more on the lines of I think I saw a method that was like the keys, so we could do like item P keys. That can be I think that's the way that it is. Or actually string. I don't know. But yeah, array string. And then it's gonna be item P dot keys. Yeah. And then in here, we can do item P keys. We need to return a dictionary, right? So we do item P here. And that works, right? Yeah, dictionaries don't index. The idea is you return the values via the key you set. Yeah. So I guess this is better. I guess we could have an array of this, guys. We're kind of like engineering an array afterwards. We could just have them in an array. But I mean, this is okay. I think this works. Okay, let's do just array then. Hey, we spawned the coins. Now, the animation is not plain, and I think it's because we should call this method. Okay, and now next we should be like, if the previous reward is not picked up, we should always like prevent it from spawning a new one. And whenever the object is picked up, we should set a thing that resets the animation in our guy, if that makes sense. Like, play this animation in reverse so that we can hit it again. I would like that. But that's okay, it's working. But now we need this is coin scene. Item scene instantiate. And this item scene item instance, so we need item scene, which will be content dot scene, I think. Let's try it. Oh, I died. Cannot call function instantiate and base neo. Oh, I think it's like this. Maybe. it does return coin, slime, and pear, right? So we are doing that. Roll content. The type is wrong. Oh, let me look at it. It should be packed scene, not no duty. Oh, in here. Maybe not here. Wait, never mind. Yeah, because we're calling instantiate here. I think we're just returning content in a bad way and not accessing the correct one. Oh, maybe this is on ready. Maybe it's not setting it. Maybe this is trying to set this with coin scene when coin scene is not there. Oh, I think that was it. Okay, it still only spawns coins. Let's see what happens. I still really appreciate your help, B-Manx. So let's see, on the spawn content scene, item scene. We should have oh, because we're doing 0. Okay, never mind. Okay, now we should be able to spawn different things. Yay! And look, we spawn... Oh, the bear doesn't disappear, huh? But yeah, we can spawn... Because the bear is there? It's killing all of the bears. The bear's killing all of the slimes that pop up. That's funny. Okay. I want a better way to do this, right? Bear side? I want a better way to do this. It does sound like a pin in the butt though, doesn't it? I would have to like get all of the assets from these items, from this, all of the files on this folder, and then do this for everyone. I think that's the way that I should do it. Right? Like, these files would have this content. Would just have a JSON with the information. At least I think that's how I would do it. And then I would even call this like getting the scene within here, perhaps. I don't know if that would be like a bad for performers or whatever. I guess we could do it on ready. We can import all of the items and then we set them there. But it's maybe better to just grab them and load the scene whenever we need it and not always. Because I'm thinking, what if there's like in Isaac and there's like 700 items, yeah, right? You could have a naming scheme for the files and then programmatically build the file paths to dynamically load them. Yeah, that could be a thing, yeah. I agree with that. So if I have a JSON file here, and I do... Does a JSON need to be like a string like that? I don't remember. I think this suffices, right? And then I'm like... bean. And it's gonna be load... Oh, that's something that I thought about. How would I have... How would I have the different... Let's say that we want to have like every weapon as its own like thing, that it has its own methods. Would it be like extensions of the weapon class? This would be like scene path, I guess. Scene path. And then spawn rate. Comma. Your spawn rate would be 10. Maybe that works? And then we can do... Boom. Then we do this for the other items. And we can set whatever we want here. I like this because then it's like moddable as well. People can just add whatever item they want in here. I could add tags on it, so like I could be like in tags, and then we could have we could have like, hey, a tag is a weapon, or a tag of slime is enemy. So whenever we want to spawn an enemy, we could search all the ones that have the tag enemy. And then work with that limited pool. I like that. And then slime. I don't know. Let's see. I think I'm gonna get myself a snack. I like that the vision works. Wow. So like they spawn at the top. Did you guys notice that? They spawn at the top, but they check if they have ground below. So if we go here and we modify the world to have let's say like a thing here, they would also go there. Isn't that cool? I think it's pretty cool. We just extended its vision down. I thought about it because they would like stay on top of this block. And I didn't want that. Pear! We need to get rid of the pear somehow. Oh my god, we have a collab with Tootsie in a couple hours as well. We're playing Final Fantasy 14. Updating. Let's see. Oops. Let me log in. Where Enix? Peto there. Peto there, panichibano. But it's I think that's how it said. One-time password. What? Where Enix ID? Oh, my ID is not my thing. My ID is not my account. I don't need to register. I need to log in. MawiApocalypse. And then my password. Oh my god, okay. We need to download 1,000,000 files. I should be in an online class now. The problem is, like the rapture, the professor did not come. Bro, poor rapture people. They are struggling. I believe in them. Next time it'll be true. Believe in yourself, just as those people believe in in their loony shit. Let's do some doom scrolling while Final Fantasy updates. What is this? Grok. What is the meaning of this story? Using Grok for no reason. Am I muted? Hello? Do I have no audio? Okay. Do certs. For Neru. I did not miss the MMO update. Yeah, pretty hefty, right? Look at that, 7 minutes. We hear you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. It was more like the TikTok was just like not having any audio. Was that Pooh? Wait, that's Pooh. At the end. Pooh Teto. That's so funny. Bro, I love Neru. She was my favorite. It's so funny.
Are you prepared for the rapture today?
Your dad wants to blow up this blow-up doll with helium and attach it to the roof to go 100 feet up and make them think Jesus has come.
Bro, demonic dad. 20th Century Fox song. Oh no. Are you talking about copyright? Oh, that might be a thing. I hope it's not. Whatever. Anybody else associate this song with the 20th Century Fox logo film? Oh, the pam 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 dun dun dun. That one. It's Jesus. Wasn't it helium? Why is it not floating? Oh, does the helium not? Is it not enough? It's too heavy.
What if we did the white trash bag just to conceal that it's balloons? So it could just be attached, like lifting him up so you can't see the
Bro, this plan. No, I mean the Teta video. Though copyright could be a concern. Yeah. It's a cloud, of course.
It's not gonna carry Jesus.
You need so many more blues.
Dang it.
$100 wasted. More balloons, let's go. It works. No, it does not work.
God's not gonna let you. Not today, Jeff.
It was divine judgment, yeah.
All the tools you need to build a Home Depot are inside a Home Depot. All the knowledge you need to perform brain surgery are inside the brain. Now, by that logic, what is inside my pocket? You'll never get any of that time back. Send this to a friend whose time you want to waste. You'll never get that time back. I dominated your time. All the tools.
Bro. They got played. They should have just attached a bunch of fireworks to him. just attach a jetpack. Duh. Of course. Why didn't I think of that?
You need to build.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Godot. So cute. Teacher, today we're gonna talk about depression. The whole class looked back at me. Me. Why?
Grande, Dallas Review con los 20 euros. ¿En qué se parece una lechuga y un bebé? En que si te los follas... bueno. Puta.
That's too edgy.
How men play basketball? A man play basketball. Yeah. How women play basketball? And women play basketball. Oh yeah.
Is this facts? Is this facts? Cuando bilingüe? Bilingüe? ¿Qué significa bilingüe? Couldn't it be Brian Griffin wasn't expected today?
How your mom plays basketball? Okay, how am I gonna know how your mom plays basketball? I know your mom. How your dad plays basketball? Okay, how am I gonna know how your dad plays basketball? I don't know your dad either.
Is this facts? Is this true? Can someone confirm?
That Deltarune dog.
Cuando eres mal para el deletreo. Vale, vale, ya lo entiendo.
That Deltarune.
Bro, Neru's so cute.
Oh my god, I've got 6 digestives and a Sprite.
In
I'm
a
probably
Sprite.
the luckiest guy in the world.
The luckiest guy in the
my
world.
God. I've got 6 digestives.
I played basketball that way. Okay, okay. I can confirm. I'm both my parents of my 10 lovely children. Nice, let's go. Oh. There we are. Look. My character. I haven't played in such a long time. We're gonna play with Tootsie tomorrow at 11 a.m. Yay. I have no idea what we were doing before. But yeah, I think we're gonna be just leveling. Maybe doing like duty roulette or something. I don't know how it's called. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. That was good. Being prepared for tomorrow.
And a Sprite.
What's your favorite genre of music?
What apps does he have? Is this Krita? No, it's not. Maybe it is.
What's your favorite genre of music?
Probably line chew ASMR.
What do you mean my taxes are due tomorrow? That's stupid. Why didn't I get notified about this?
Line chew ASMR?
I'm just gonna evade them. I'm just gonna evade the taxes. The IRS are cringe anyway.
Facts.
Did it stop me?
Bro,
There's no way
facts.
I'm paying this much. This.
What's your favorite genre of music?
Ain't no way I'm paying taxes. The classic MMO return experience. Where the fuck am I going? True. Is this DCC? This looks like Kingdom Hearts. Is this like a different mode of Zenless Zone Zero? Bro, it looks like Kingdom Hearts. What the fuck? Like a senseless playtest 0. This looks so fun. Holy fuck. I might have to give it a try. Excel obstacle curse. What? Bro, what is this? Bro, this is some advanced shit. What the fuck? Bro. This is not efficient. This is not world record pace. Bro, what the fuck? Is he not allowed to use the mouse? Holy shit, that was epic. Bro. Oh, he has like a goal to go to. Bro, okay. This is so funny. Mew and I don't know if they're talking about CCC or sleep. Bro, the Excel obstacle course is so funny. What the fuck is this? This is why I quit Excel. Too many sweats. Employment final boss. Big news for the employed. He knows he's good, bro. This smug face. Is there not an easier or faster way to do the second puzzle? I know that second puzzle was horrible, bro. That was horrible.
There's something wrong with Debbie.
What's wrong with her?
Her bath.
Let me see. Oh, she just needs a little love. There, all better.
There's something wrong with Debbie.
What's wrong with her?
Her bath.
Do you mind if I take a look at her?
No.
Oh.
No.
I was really hoping I wouldn't find this.
Oh my god.
Gabby's spine is fractured.
Why?
Yeah, it's completely shattered. Here, look at this x-ray. She's got C4 through 6 basically obliterated.
Oh
We're gonna have to
no.
operate right away.
Poor Gabby.
Honestly, you're lucky you came to me. I'm one of only 6 surgeons in the world who'd even dare an operation this risky.
Why?
Why? I don't deal in whys. I deal in miracles.
W,
If you want me
Dad.
to save your friend, I need your permission to do this now.
Now?
Right now. You need to say your goodbyes.
Why, Debbie?
I did it. Your friend made it through surgery.
Okay.
We need to keep her in the hospital for observation for 1.5 days.
Okay.
She's got a long recovery ahead of her. You're gonna have to teach her how to do everything again.
I to teach her?
Listen. It's gonna be hard. In a lot of ways, the friend you had is gone. But Gabby, she's still in there somewhere. And it's up to you to make your friend's life the best it can be.
I will.
It's easy to say that. But there will be times when you may want to write with crayons. Gabby can't do that.
He can't?
Not anymore. Her hands are paralyzed.
Okay.
If you want to ride a horse.
I want to ride a horse.
But see, Gabby can't do that. Her pelvis is compromised.
Bro,
See,
it's so long.
All the things that you imagine doing together, they're not going to be possible anymore. And it's up to you to make a life for Gabby that she can stand to live. And if you don't think you can do that, day in and day out, every day, for the rest of Gabby's life, you have a hard decision to make. And if that time comes, then it may. You can come back to my office. We can discuss your options.
I love you, Mom. There's something wrong with...
Bro, the euthanization of Gabby. Modding has already peaked. What are they doing with the mods? Bro, these guys were horrible. I hated these guys. What is this mod that they're gonna show? Get to it! Is it the sound? What's modded about this? Yeah, the voice lines. Oh, okay. Is that gonna be a Charizard? A first edition Charizard? It is. Bruh.
Vous cherchez quelqu'un avec qui discuter? Les informations sur les services de rencontre peuvent...
Why am I getting French ads? Hello?
First off, would you kindly make your way to the comments? As you can see, I've taken the liberty of creating 30 more memes to assist you in the application of commenting on videos. Screenshot, whatever. First off, would you kindly make your way to the comments? As you can see, I've taken the liberty of...
What the fuck is this, bro? Hollow point. Bro, this lady is so hot. In Undertale. Okay. I believe it. The French are invading? Oh no. Okay, we do have an early stream tomorrow, so I believe we should end the stream. I did have a lot of fun. And hey, tomorrow we have a lot more coding and a little bit of gaming, I think. I feel like I want to keep coding because I want to do the items. Kind of excited for that. Today we fixed the attack, which is pretty dope. I really liked doing that. Bro, the nighttime looks so good in here, right? I want one of these one day. A bay window. Isn't this shit like the best shit ever? I thought I found a mawile on my feed. Hi Gabe, how you doing? I am a mawile. Or it gets mawile inspired. It's my favorite Pokemon. Do you like mawile? Yeah, we love mawile over here. But yeah, I think we did good progress today. And YouTube was popping off. We had like 15 viewers. We had 20 viewers at some point. Damn. Thank you guys for all the views. Thank you guys for all the likes. We got 15 likes. Like, look at that. Thank you guys. You guys support me so much. I have so much fun. Remember, you can join the Discord. Da-da-dum. You can join the Discord and we can chat, we can hang out, we can play games. You can show me whatever project you're working on. You can check out the pets channel, you can check out the food channel. You can check out the memes channel. It's a lot of fun. Thank you everyone for watching. Remember to sub to the YouTube channel so you can hop into the next stream. And if you're on YouTube, if you're on Twitch, remember to follow. Thank you everyone for coming. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. We have we're literally going to be streaming in 10 hours. And so I'm just gonna go to sleep and then wake up and stream again. So we got more streams soon. Really enjoyed the stream. Enjoy your collab tomorrow. Good night everyone. Good night everyone. Thank you so much for being here, Humble Flatcap. Let's see. Who do we rate? Japanese VTuber coding. Is there any VTuber codings? There's a piece of toast coding. Who is this piece of toast? And what are they doing? Let's see.
No,
Oh look, Giga's streaming.
I'm just confused why I wouldn't give it to.
Let's try Giga. Giga is also a streamer.
And I think it was just because of how she was raised and how she was treated and how we treated her at home.
They are.
It was like, she had no problem with the
Giga is super cool.
The vet themselves was great, and
Go check them out.
she loved the vet.
Giga is a super friend
You know, despite getting
of us.
all that sort of stuff, right? So
He also has a game, an idle game on stream.
I hope you're doing well, 2K. One of the animals even teeth like so. It needs extra special care then, probably.
And you guys can play it.
So cursed.
Thank you everyone for coming to the stream. I'll see you in a couple hours. Bye bye.
Leave the cat carrier around the house as a sleeping place so the cats aren't afraid of it. Yes.
And bye YouTube.
That is absolutely true. And we did the same thing.